Okay, then I already loaded all the necessary image files and everything into our image folder, so you can have your any image for your this project example. So and then I created these styles.css index.html. So let's get started. So we can say the title as creative hover effects, and then let's link our styles.css. Inside the body, first we need to create a main container, and inside this container it's going to have clip, that's a common class, and then another class clip1. Okay, so copy this and paste it 2 more times. This is 3, this is 2. Save the changes. So far nothing will happen because everything is happened through your styles. Okay, so let me include the Google font. Like I want to include the font load it. Yep. Mark script, where it is, that mark script, yes, here it is. I want to use this font style for my body tag, so you can use any styles for you. Then margin 0 will remove the unwanted margin and padding as usual, and box sizing border box. Let's change the background color for your body tag. So we can keep the minimum height of the body tag, it's 100 VH, that means 100 viewport point. Then let's change the background color, background #111. Now the color is changed. After that, whatever the content inside this body tag, everything should be in the center. So for that, let's make it display flex, then justify content horizontal center and vertical center. Now whatever the content you keep inside, it will be in the center of the page. So how can we confirm that? Let's write some styles for your container dot container, and container position is relative position, and we can say width, we can say how much width we can say, 80% of the screen size, and height 500 pixels. Okay, so let's change the background color so that you can see that. See, we have a thing over here. Okay, so then what we need to do is we just need to make it overflow hidden, because I keep the text box over here, it should be outside of this box, so we need to make it overflow hidden, otherwise that box will be visible when you scroll down. So then what we need to do is we just make the first clip. For that, let's write the styles for the clip commonly for the container dot clip. So this container, that clip, this position is always should be absolute position, and the top should be 0, left should be 0, and width should be 100%, height should be always 100% of the parent container. Then we'll make the transitions. We need to reduce the movement speed when you're moving that boxes. After this, just like this, we need to write the styles for your clip1. Copy it, dot clip1. Don't leave space over here because this clip1 is not inside the clip division, they both are in the same division, so don't leave a space. So for the clip1, what we need to do is, for right now I'm just giving the background color, let's say background color #F00. Okay, currently it's full, so what we need to do is, let me go to clip path maker, this is the official website, so click here, and here choose the polygon. Where is the polygon? Where are you? Where it is? Yeah, here it is, parallel. So make it like this, and you can see the measurements. So at the bottom I need to keep it at 30%, and at the top I need to bring it up like 50, we can say. Yeah, 50 percentage. Yeah, so this is the point. So copy this clip path and then paste it here, save the changes, and now you can see that we have this clip. So we need to do the same thing for your two more clips. Open it and let's copy the clip path. Now what we need to do is we need to adjust this point. I'll make this one completely to the end and I'll bring this to 50. Where is 50.0? Yeah, then I'll bring it to 60, position number 60, and bring this to 30. Yeah, now it's fine. So 50, 0, 100, 0, 60, 100 and 30, 100. This is our point. So copy it and paste it here and give a background color. For this background color we can say #0f0, and now you can see we have the nice clip over here. We need to do the same thing for this last part. Copy this and paste it, change it to 3, and again go to clip path maker. Now bring this one to complete corner and this one also to the exact corner and make this to 60, position number 60, like this. Copy it and paste it and change the background color as #00f. Now if you go and check, we have this nice clip path. So make sure they are in the exact corner, otherwise you will see some unwanted space over here. So now we have this nice clip path. So what we need to do is now we need to write the hover effect. For instance, when I hover this container, I need to move this complete clip path outside. Okay, for that what we need to do, so dot container :hover dot clip. Okay, so again go to the clip path container and bring this to entire corner. This is what we need to do. So that means what you need to do, 100% 0, 100% 0, and 100% 100%, then 100% 100%. Copy it and paste it. Now when you hover it, this is what happens. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to write the styles for your dot container, and this time you need to write the style hover effect for your clip. So remove it. We need to write the styles for your hover effect for your clip. Okay, and this time we are going to make that clip 100% view. It should view for 100%. Same, choose the same style and make it 100% everything, and copy that styles and paste it over here. And now if you hover it, we have this nice effects. Okay, so let me maximize the screen. Transition is not working properly. Oh yes, because of 0. seconds I missed the seconds, that's why. Now if you check, see, we have this nice hover and effect. When you're moving to that particular clip, it's making 100%. Okay, so now everything is working good as of now, and it's responsive too. See, they are responsive also. And let me adjust the screen size a little bit. This is too much. Yeah, now this is perfect. See, they are responsive and it's working perfectly. So now what we are going to do is, instead of this background color, I'm just going to use the URL /images1. Now we have that nice image over here. See, when I hover it, I can see that complete image. And let's make it background size cover. Now you can see that it's completely covered the entire screen. Okay, so do the same thing for the remaining. URL /images2 background size cover. Here we go. Then do the same thing for the last one. URL /images 3. Okay, we need to add that background size cover. Now we can see that image perfectly. So here we go, we have that nice hover effect just like a normal slide just by using only CSS. Then what we need to do, I need to bring up some content over here. So for that I just go here and then I create a class called content. Inside this content we are going to have h2 tag, and you can say like slide post content 1, and after this we are going to have the paragraph tag, and that's going to have the dummy text lorem ipsum, and we'll copy these 2 tags and we paste it in the remaining 2 divisions. Okay, do the same thing in the last 3rd division also, and then change their number like 2, 3. Save the changes. Now it's working fine. Okay, you can see that it's having that styles over here 2, 3. Okay, what we need to do is we need to do some stylings. I just need to bring up them only when I'm hovering it upward. Until that it should not come. So for that we need to write the styles for it. So go to the styles and then copy the content. Okay, that is inside the dot container dot clip dot content. So this it should be absolutely, it should be position absolute. Okay, and then I'm just going to bring it to bottom 0 and left 0. Okay, so width it should take like 70% of the screen size. Okay, then padding it should take 20 pixels, and then background, if I give background, that will be white color. Now we can see that we have this content over here. Okay, then what we need to do is we just need to add some transition effect, transition 0.5 seconds as it is, and then now we need to pull this content outside. Why it's not working? Oh god, made a mistake. So what we need to do, it should be inside the division. So copy it and paste it one more time. Oh come on, copy, paste. Don't make this mistake, otherwise it will not work properly. 2, 3. I failed to copy the division, that's why it's not working. Okay, now you can see that it's coming. So now what we need to do is we just need to we added the transitions and all those things. So let me send it outside of the screen, bottom minus 100% and the opacity 0. So now we can't see that. So when I hover that clip, I'll bring it in again. When the clip hover, we will make the bottom position as 0 and we'll bring up the opacity again to 100%. Opacity 1. Now you can see that it's working perfectly. See, and make it full screen. You can see that perfectly over here. So this is how you need to create this nice creative hover effect for your slider or any section you can have.